Hello and welcome to the short instruction video for the iBEMI app. The app is managed through the iBEMI app configurator, which you find at app.bemi.fi. Here we log in and navigate to projects. The first step that you have to do is to create a new project. We already have a sample project here, so we press Edit Project to see the project data. The iBEMI section is the place for managing the app. You could upload a CSV file with KNX addresses that you exported from your ETS project. These addresses would then be available in the iBEMI profile editor. Now we are going to create a new profile with the desired name. To build up your custom profile, you have to press Edit Profile. The iBEMI profile editor will start and show your empty profile. In the editor you find three elements. On the left side you see the profile structure. The pages in the profile will be shown in the tree view. In the middle we have the attribute box. It shows the parameters which could be configured for an element. On the right you find the preview of the current page as it would be shown in the app. Okay, let's start building a profile. First thing you want to do is to set the KNX connection that should be used with this profile. We will use the default setting KNX and IP routing without additional settings. When this is done, you can go ahead and start adding content to the first page. We want to have a button to set a light scene. So we add the button to the page and configure the attributes. We set the KNX address and the value for the light scene. This we uncheck since we don't have memory function for this light scene. We also don't want the status of the light scene to be shown for this button. At the end we select an icon and we are finished with configuring our first button. Now we are going to add another button to this page. So we click here on the spot where we want to have the button and proceed in the same way as before. Next thing that we want to do is to display a temperature value in the upper right corner of this page. So we simply click there and configure the attributes. Now when we are finished with that, we could add another page to our profile. We will add an extension page to our first page. In the iBEMI app, this page will be placed on the right hand side of the first page. First we will add the temperature value in the upper right corner as we did before. It's done in the same way. Then we will add buttons. To this page we could add up to 8 buttons. First we will add 2 light scene buttons. We proceed the same way as before. Then we will add a button with switching function and another button with function dimming, and we are finished with adding buttons to this page. Take a look at the portrait preview of the page. You can see that the button arrangement is not really good with this setup. However, you can simply fix this by dragging the buttons in the right position. We will add another page. This time we will add a level page. In the iBEMI app you will find this page below the starting page. The idea of the page structure in iBEMI is based on a real house with floors and rooms. So now when you're on a level page, you're able to add rooms to this level. In the app, the room pages are placed on the right hand side of the level page. Okay, first we will give this level a proper name. Then we will add a room to this page. These links to the rooms on the level page, which you see here, give you a nice overview of the rooms which are in this level. I will give this room a name and choose an icon. After that, we add another room and proceed in the same way. The pages for these rooms you find here. You could add content to these room pages in the same way as we did before. You could also add an extension page to this room. In the app, this page would then be placed below this page. Okay, this is it for the short instruction video about building up your own iBEMI profiles. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any further information, please check the FAQ, and also don't hesitate to contact us. There's also another video about how to transfer your profiles to the app. Thank you for watching.